Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Upgrade your lawn care with the best cordless grass trimmer, offering powerful cutting, long-lasting battery performance, and effortless maneuverability. Keep edges neat and grass perfectly trimmed without the hassle of cords, noise, or complicated setups. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Worx 20V Grass Trimmer. The Worx 20V Grass Trimmer is an excellent tool for homeowners looking for a reliable, lightweight, and easy-to-use trimmer and edger combo. Designed with a simple 2-in-1 function, it converts from a trimmer to an edger in seconds, making yard maintenance effortless. Its push-button command feed system ensures instant line feeding so you can continue trimming without interruptions. The adjustable spacer guard is another thoughtful feature that protects flowers and lawn decorations from accidental damage. With a 12-inch cutting diameter and a no-load speed of 7,600 RPM, it delivers solid performance for everyday lawn care. Weighing only 5.3 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, offering excellent maneuverability. The Worx 20V Grass Trimmer combines convenience, power, and precision, making it a great choice for small to medium lawns. Number 2. LPSUK 2.0A Grass Trimmer. The LPSUK 2.0A Grass Trimmer stands out for its efficiency and versatility, making it a dependable choice for anyone who wants both trimming and edging capabilities in one tool. With a simple press of a button, it converts from a trimmer to an edger, ensuring neat lines along sidewalks and flower beds. Its telescopic shaft adjusts between 38 to 49 inches, accommodating users of different heights, while the 60-degree adjustable head and 180-degree handle provide customizable comfort. With a powerful 8,000 RPM motor and 12-inch cutting width, it delivers clean, precise cuts for larger trimming areas. The trimmer includes 8 replacement spool lines, adding long-term value and convenience. Ideal for homeowners who want comfort, flexibility, and strong cutting performance, the LPSUK 2.0A Grass Trimmer is built for efficient yard care. Number 3. Ego Power Plus 56V Grass Trimmer. The Ego Power Plus 56V Grass Trimmer is a high-performance tool engineered for both professional landscapers and homeowners who value durability and power. Its dual-feed spiral twist line and 15-inch cutting swath handle thick weeds and dense grass with ease. The rapid reload head makes line replacement quick and hassle-free, saving you valuable time during yard work. It also features variable speed control, giving you flexibility for light or heavy trimming tasks. The included 2.5 Ah battery charges fully in just 50 minutes thanks to the fan-cooled charging system that prevents overheating. With impressive power, ergonomic balance, and consistent performance, the Ego Power Plus 56V Grass Trimmer is ideal for anyone who wants professional-level trimming results and long-lasting reliability for demanding lawn care jobs. Number 4. MZK 20V Cordless Grass Trimmer. The MZK 20V Cordless Grass Trimmer is a user-friendly, efficient, and lightweight tool designed for everyday lawn care. Equipped with an upgraded 8,000 RPM motor, it delivers fast and precise cutting performance for tackling overgrown grass and weeds. The 12-inch cutting diameter provides wide coverage, making trimming tasks quicker and more efficient. Its automatic line feed system conveniently releases line as needed, eliminating manual adjustments and interruptions. The MZK trimmer also comes with 1 built-in spool and 4 additional replacements, ensuring long-term use without extra purchases. Weighing only 6.3 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and perfect for extended use without fatigue. The ergonomic adjustable handle enhances comfort, allowing users to trim comfortably in various positions. Combining solid cutting power with convenient operation, the MZK 20V Cordless Grass Trimmer is a practical choice for maintaining neat lawns, edges, and garden spaces with minimal effort and maximum control. Number 5. Seesii 12-inch Grass Trimmer. The Seesii 12-inch grass trimmer is an all-in-one yard maintenance solution that combines trimming, edging, and blowing in a single efficient package. Designed for convenience, this combo set includes both a cordless trimmer and a leaf blower powered by the same battery system, eliminating the need for multiple chargers. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during long yard sessions, reducing strain and fatigue. The dual 4.0 AH batteries provide up to 70 minutes of trimming and 100 minutes of blower operation, offering extended runtime for larger yards. The Seesii trimmer allows effortless switching between cutting grass and cleaning debris, making weekend yard work more manageable and time-saving. With its easy storage capability, it's ideal for those with limited space. Whether you're maintaining lawn edges or clearing pathways, the Seesii 12-inch grass trimmer and blower combo delivers strong performance, extended battery life, and ultimate convenience for comprehensive yard care. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect cordless grass trimmer for your lawn. Don't forget to check the links in the description to explore each product in detail. Stay tuned for more helpful tools and tips to simplify your yard work.